Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to add another phone key to your Tesla Model Y. The phone key feature lets you unlock, lock, and start your car using your smartphone via the Tesla app, offering a convenient alternative to traditional key fobs. It's like having your car key on your phone, making life easier and more secure. Tesla's phone key usage is up 25% year over year, showing how much owners love this convenient feature. Before pairing your new phone, ensure you have a Tesla Model Y that you own and have access to. You'll need the Tesla app installed and updated on both your primary phone and the new phone you're pairing. An active Tesla account linked to your Model Y is required for authentication. Your smartphone must be NFC enabled and running iOS 14 or later, or Android with Google Play services. Finally, make sure your Model Y is unlocked and within Bluetooth or NFC range for pairing. On the new phone you want to add as a phone key, download and open the Tesla app. Log in using the Tesla account credentials associated with your Model Y. On the app's home screen, tap the vehicle icon to access the car's settings. Then go to Controls. Inside the Controls menu, locate and tap on Phone Key. This will open the phone key settings where you can manage your digital keys. Tap on Phone Key to proceed. Now select Add Phone Key. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on both the new phone and the Model Y for fallback pairing if NFC doesn't work. Hold the new phone near the vehicle's NFC reader, typically located on the driver's side door pillar or center console. Follow the on-screen prompts. If NFC pairing fails, the app will prompt you to use Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices and follow the Bluetooth pairing instructions. Once the pairing process is complete, the app will notify you of its success. Test the new phone key by attempting to unlock and lock the vehicle using the Tesla app on the new phone. Phone keys are device-specific and secured with cryptographic protocols like AES-256 encryption. If a phone is lost or stolen, you can remotely revoke the phone key via the Tesla app on another device, enhancing security. Each vehicle can support up to 10 phone keys. If you encounter issues with your phone key, start by ensuring your Tesla app is fully up to date. Check for any available over-the-air updates that may have addressed connectivity problems. Next, check your phone's NFC settings to make sure near-field communication is enabled. This is essential for the phone key pairing process. If NFC doesn't work, use Bluetooth as a fallback. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and your phone is paired with the vehicle. Keep in mind that connectivity issues can occur in high-interference areas or rural zones, with about a 5% failure rate reported in those locations. Recent updates have reduced lockouts by 15%. Looking to the future, Tesla plans to integrate ultra-wideband technology for more precise location-based access, allowing keyless entry from up to 10 meters away. This technology will enable cross-brand compatibility and energy-efficient NFC alternatives. Stay tuned for more updates on digital key technology. Thanks for watching.